Okay, let me see what we got here. A little music.
I'm a conqueror in my bearing.
Victorious attitude, very nice.
I act like a
We got here something. Look at this. This is from me to me. Wow. Let's see, check it out.
in my manner.
This looks like a Christmas present.
I carry myself like one
I'm gonna be opening with the scissors over here.
I live my life like a victorious hero.
Let's see.
I am exemplary.
Okay, what's here? What's here?
Physiology.
Gonna be opening to. Looks like the collection. Looks like the collection is ready. Alright. Bubble plastic bag. We can actually
I exhibit all the telltale
pop in them. Pop. 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 Very good. Bye bye. Okay, what's this? What's this? From me to me, this is my Christmas gift. Thank you, Librería Nacional. Look at that. It's a very nice logo. Okay, so we're gonna open this book. What is this book about? Let's see, what is this? Let's see. What is that? Ooh, what is this? Oh, thank you so much, Luis, for this book from Walter Isaacson. It looks like the collection is going to be complete. The Code Breaker from Walter Isaacson. Okay, let's see for the second one. This card's like a nice penguin here. What's the other card with? The other card, it's the same penguin. Yeah. Ooh. Let's go for the second one. What's this? Open. What's in the book? What's in the package? What is this? It looks like the ta-da! Jordan Peterson. Nice, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you the books from the collection that actually are completed for this year's. So I got Walter. I have this one by Force. I have this one. Books for 2023. I got the combo from James Clear. I got another one from Jordan. This one. Another one from Jordan. Look at this. Yeah. And finally from Mr. Robin. Looks like the collection is ready. Thank you so much.
Contemplation of perfection is always uplifting. I think of myself as an absolutely perfect being. Divine.